Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. So today I am going to discuss about my new interview experience in ONDC for ML engineer role. So first of all, I would like to say that that is one of the different interview experience which I had till now. So till now for professional IT related industry, I have given uh, 15 interviews, and this is the last one out of all of those till now. So that interview is more of like a conversation rather than just about asking, questioning and getting answers like that. So basically I have came across three type of interviews. First is like questioning answering thing, same like what do you know about the things, like what are mentioned in resume. They ask you about basic concepts and all. Second is like very technical depth, as if like if I am asking you questions, like I have seen here one of the project you are using transformer, then I'll ask you question like all depth and breadth about the transformers. So that is the second type of question, like I am looking for specific role related someone, like I'm working on vision, so I'm looking for someone who is good with vision concepts or having hands-on experience. I'm good if I'm looking for some transformer related. So that is totally whole and soul depends on what what is my requirement. So first is like questioning answering, basically like from your resume. Second is I'm looking for a someone who is related to my role. And the third one which I have gone in this video through is like testing your personality, kind of how you are at conversing, how you are with the basic concepts, basic knowledge about fundamentals. How's your fundamentals? Can you handle the stuff? How are you as a person? And so many things. So let me give you some examples, like what interviewer has asked me. This is not something which I'm saying that if you'll sit for ONDs and you'll get the same questions. So this is a disclaimer, please keep in mind. It totally depends on like in which role you are applying, who is taking your interview, what is the reason behind the interviewer taking your interview. So there are a lot of factors. So from this interview I'll share my experience. So the interviewer has asked me the fundamental concepts. He has gone through my resume, he has saw my background, he has saw whatever experience I have. As of now I'm a intern at HSBC, data analyst intern. So he has asked me questions which I have mentioned in my resume related to this internship, like what am I doing, what, and means whatever I ever doing. He has said me to explain that. Then I explained him very clearly, and after explanation he gave me a scenario on basis of that explanation, and then I understood that. I tried to answer that like whatever I can think of. Like he said, there is a no good right or wrong answer to this, but I want to test your thinking process. So this is about that. And yeah, it was about the testing thing. Then what comes, he asked me some fundamentals of sorting, searching and all, algorithmic time complexity and algorithmic time complexity. Then he asked me how we can optimize it. We have came from big O of n square to big O of n log n. Then in that also, like he asked me in place, it is a in place algorithm or not, and what is the in place algorithm if it is there. So many things. Then this is, I'm just giving an overview. Okay, if you have any question, please let me know in the comments. I'll definitely answer those questions. And then Yeah, he asked me about my, like, there was a HR round also. In between that, the HR was sitting with him, so she asked me about my competence, about my managing the things, how I'll handle the stuffs. She asked me like, what am I good at, like, for example, like, I'll give you an example what she asked me. Basically, she asked me, how will you manage your personal and professional toughness at the same time? So, and one of the question was like, she asked me, what you what you will do in specific particular situation, like, if you have to work with someone with whom your relation is not so good, how you'll handle, what you'll do and everything. So yeah, means there are so many questions. Like, this interview has gone around 1 hour, and then there were other questions also. Like, he said me to code, he said me to write logic, he given me some system design related questions, about which I have gave him an answer, but in another way, not in what he was expecting from me. And yeah, so at the last, um, my advice to you is, prepare for the interview according to the job role as much as you can, and also do not forget to be thorough with your resume. Like, whatever you have put a single word in your resume, you should be very clear about it. Because in so many interviews, I have came across the interviewers who used to take just one word from a resume, because we mostly make our resume through the LLMs, through the agents. So we have came across the one word, means they used to just pick up one word, and we sometimes don't know with what words that LLM has put in my resume. So you should be very much known to that word in your resume and your LLM, to the LLM, and you should be comfortable, because so many times the interviewers have took that word and asked me a questions on that word, like, what is this? Okay, so if I explain that thing, okay, so where have you used this? Okay, and what is the advantage, disadvantage of this? Why have you not used something else? Why did you use this? So be completely know about the things. And one of my advice is also that you will never be always prepared with your everything whatever interviewer is asking, but just make sure that uh, whatever you have prepared, you should be comfortable and confident when it comes to explain that. And whatever you have not prepared, you should accept that in a professional way, not like, I don't know. You should be like, uh, I have known, means if you know about something, there are so many situations like, I know about the things, but I cancel. So I just say, I have, means there are some times like, you know something about the things, like whatever asked, but you don't know everything. Like, so you can say that, I have read about this a long back. Whatever I can recall is this is that particular thing. You cannot say like, I'll see, I don't know about this, या फिर I know about it. And you should be very confident about the things which you cannot recall. So this should not happen. Okay, so yeah, these are my advices and this is my interview experience. If there is anything which you want me to cover in brief, let me know in comment section. Thank you.